Hi guys, how are you doing today? I'm just hoping guys that you're really doing great. For me here, I'm doing awesome. Yes, okay, my name is Hadasa Amina for those who don't know me. And guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And on today's video, I just decided to show you guys how I do my simple makeup for my simple photo shoot. So guys, please feel welcome. So I'm going to show you how I do my makeup, and I'm going also to select my outfit of the day. And after that guys, I'm going to show you the results after the photo shoot. So yeah, it's something very simple. I felt like it's my friend who invited me, and I was like, why not, let me go and take one photo or two. Yeah, so guys, let's start this thing. So first thing first, I'm going to start with my hair, and I'm not like everything that I'll be doing today is very simple. So I'm just like holding my hair into a ponytail, and then I'm going to add a darling extension. And guys, kindly share with me how you do maintain this extension if you have one. So for me, I bought it like 6 months ago, and so far I have been like I have it, so far so good. But this is how I like maintain it. I use leave-in treatment for the for to detangle it, and I also use maybe sometimes blow dryer. But I realize that if you use blow dryer on a low heat, like it always remains the same, so nothing changes. So yeah, but so far so good. I don't have any negative comment about it. Yeah, it have served me well so far. So guys, after now adding the extension, I'm going to do my edges. I'll be doing my edges, and after doing my edges, that will be it for my hair. Yes, so I wanted my hair to match the extension. You know, this darling extension, it's more of natural look. So I wanted my hair to blend the extension. Yeah, so that's why I'm not going to use hair gel for the sleek, the sleek look. No, I'm just going to hold my hair like just like that, and then add the extension, because there is a look that I want to achieve from it. Yeah, so actually I want it to blend with the extension. So after that, I'll be doing my baby hairs, and as you can see, I'm doing my baby hair right now. And then after that, I'll be done with my hair, and then we go to makeup. And guys, for the edges, I think this is the easiest way, the easiest and nicest and beautiful way to do your to do your edges, or to lay your edges, sorry. So yeah, so I'll be doing this, and for me, I'm using, it's very easy. You can also use a comb or anything. Yeah, so, or a brush. So for me, I'm just using a comb. It gets more easier when I use a comb, so that's why you see me doing it, laying my edges using a comb. Yeah, so if you have like, you don't want to struggle too much doing your edges, just do like this. It's very simple. It's very simple. Try it and you will tell me. Yeah. Don't complicate things, keep it simple. Hold it down, love you like my family, we can't fold. Love it when you smile, so them dimples. Love it when you be my little nympho. Bust it down, ayy. I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're... So guys, I'm done with my hair. Now let me change this t-shirt, and now we start doing makeup. Yeah, so I didn't want my t-shirt to get messy and everything. So first thing first, we're going to start with my eyebrows. I'll be doing my eyebrows, and I'll be filling in my eyebrows using eyebrow gel. Yeah, so I'll just be filling in and doing the shape that I want, and that's it. And after that, I'll be concealing my eyebrows. And by the way, today I'm not doing much with my eyes, so I'll be doing eyeshadow today. I'm not an eyeshadow person, but I'll be doing today, I want to do a nude shimmery eyeshadow. I don't know how it will look on me, but on the outer corners I'll be using dark brown shimmery color, shimmery shade, and on the inner corner I'll be using the nude shimmery color. So yeah, so today I'm also not going to apply falsies. It's just a small, I don't know, but I'm not also a falsies person, but I'm not going to apply falsies, but I'll be doing mascara only. Yeah, so for my eyeshadow I decided to start with this Zickel white powder and use it as my base. Yes, for the eyeshadow. Yes, so that's what I'm doing right now, and then let's see. So guys, I'm done, and now I'm done with mascara also, doing mascara. So for the lower eyelid, I don't know, I'm not ready to apply anything. Yeah, I've been experiencing some allergies when I use like eyeliner or eye pencil, so I decided to just leave it like that for some time. Yeah, for some time. So, and then after that, now I'm going to apply my primer. The primer that I'm using is LA Girl All Day primer. That's what I'm priming my face with. Yeah, so after the primer, now I'm going to use my foundation, and the foundation that I'm using today is Fit Me color 350, sorry. Yes, so yeah, that's it. I don't use much products. Yeah, I just prefer less products. Yeah, so I'll be applying, and I'm dealing with one cheek, and then I go to the other cheek, and then I go to my forward. Yeah, so my forehead, sorry, did I say forehead? You know, I swallow words. I don't know why I swallow words so much. Yeah, so then I'll go to my forehead. Yeah, so I'll make sure that, and I'm trying my level best not to drag but to tap, and then after that I'll be blending it in with the beauty blender. Yes, so yeah. So guys, after that I think I'm going to highlight the areas that I feel like I really need to highlight, and the areas are the bridge of my nose, you know, like on the under eyes, around my mouth and on my forehead. Those are the area that I'm going to highlight using concealer. Yes. So I'll make sure that I've blended in everything. So blend and blend and blend. So after that I'm going to apply my setting spray, and of course I always make sure that I've blown out the excess powder. I don't love too much products, guys. Yeah, so I prefer using little product, and I always love the result. And I'm using the same blender that I had blended my foundation with, the same side that I used to blend the foundation. Okay, so I like generally I use the same side, the same blender that I have used so far. Yeah. Then after that I'm going to now go I'm going to apply my powder, my Ezekiel powder palette. Yeah, so I'm starting with a bright powder. After that I'm going to contour using this powder, and I'm using a darker shade to contour. And then I'm going to blend and blend and blend using this big brush. Yeah, I need to make sure that everything is well blended in. Then guys, I'm doing the blush, and then after a blush I'll be doing my lips, and then I'm done. Yes. Guys, I love these lipsticks. I ordered them from JUMIA, and so far so good. They're called Hindayan, and I love them, by the way. Yeah, I love them. So far so good, by the way. And I'm done, guys. I'm going to set my face, and voila, I'm done, guys. Yes, so let me select the outfit. So guys, for the outfits, I'm going to wear these shiny heels and a shirt dress, and I think under that shirt dress I'll be wearing a biker short and a belt. Done. And these are the results. This is how I looked. This is how I looked, guys, and it wasn't that bad. Yeah, bye bye guys, love you.